Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. This is an introduction to object-oriented programming. The features of object-oriented programming languages include several that are not included in procedural programming languages. For example, object-oriented programs have classes. Classes are categories of objects. They also have objects. Objects are instances of classes. Classes are similar to a blueprint or a recipe. It describes what an object will be like when one is actually created. An object is more like an actual house or an actual cookie, something that is already created from the blueprint or the recipe. Object-oriented programming languages also support encapsulation. That means that the data and methods that pertain to an object are stored as a single entity. Inheritance is another feature of object-oriented programming languages. Inheritance gives you the ability to extend existing classes and make new ones that are based on the originals. Object-oriented programming languages also support polymorphism. This is the ability of a method to act correctly even though it uses different object types. Let's take a look at a class. Suppose you decide to start a business that produces videos, and you decide that the attributes of a video will include a title and a running time. You also decide that methods you'll need include methods to create, distribute, and play the videos. This is a class description. When you actually create an object, it will have a title and a running time, and it will have access to all of the methods in its class. You then can create a different object that perhaps has a different title or a different running time, and so on. You can create any number of objects from the original blueprint. Encapsulation is the feature of combining all of the attributes and methods into a single package. When you create an object from a class, it contains everything that belongs to the class. Therefore, when you write a method, such as one like this that accepts a video as a parameter, you can pass the object in as a group. You don't have to send the title, running time, or other attributes separately, and the method has access to everything that the class has. Inheritance is the ability to create a class from an existing one. Suppose you decide you're going to produce educational videos, and you decide that their attributes should be a title, a running time, and a grade level, and that their methods should include create, distribute, and play. Well, you've already created most of this with a video. The only new thing here is the grade level. Everything else already exists in another class. So instead of creating the educational video from the start, you can inherit from video. When you create the educational video class, all you have to do is add one new attribute, grade level, and take everything else from the existing class. When you create an object that is an educational video, it not only has a grade level, it also has a title and a running time and access to all the video methods. If you create another educational video object, same thing. It could have the same or different title, same or different running time, and same or different grade level. Polymorphism gives you the ability to write a single method that works appropriately with different kinds of objects. For example, suppose you create a video object. Then suppose you also create an educational video object. A method that accepts a video object knows how to work appropriately. If you send it a video, it knows how to distribute a video, for example, and it also knows how to work appropriately if you send it an educational video. It knows how to distribute that. Polymorphism allows you to write one method that can work with multiple types of objects. Again, the features of object-oriented programs include classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. That's a brief introduction to object-oriented programming. Thanks for watching.